it's gonna stay like this. I don't know how to say what I'm trying to say, girl. Do you understand what I'm saying? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, 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 girl. Hey, boy. How you doing? How you feeling? Ooh. Guess who's feeling good? Y'all know when I start dancing like that. So, today we are talking about this Zury Sis, the water wave. I have the color number 2. So this wig is so simple, so easy. As you saw in the put down, it has the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It has that lace part in the middle, and then it gives you like this lace frontal effect, I guess, if you kind of want to pull her back a little bit. So I just went ahead and do my little boop to the side. So y'all, as you see, I am smiling. The reason is, this is gorgeous. This is so pretty. So now this cap is not the biggest, okay? At first I thought I was gonna have an issue with that, but guys, this is glueless. This is glueless. She is on my head and she is glueless. I am all for putting on my head and running out the door, okay? She's glueless. I did tighten the straps in the back and I did go in with my wig grip just to kind of keep her in place. I think the fact that she's kind of not so big and a little snug kind of works, because it's like on your head. I mean, it will loosen up over time, but for me it's working. Keep in mind, guys, that I do these gel braids. I do straight backs, okay, and I have like 8 of them in my head, so my braids are pretty flat to my head. Now if you do, I want to say, bigger braids, or you don't even do braids and just put a cap on your head, this may give you some trouble because it is a little snug. So you got to keep in mind if your hair is braided or your hair is not braided. But I'm feeling this. I am feeling this. I'm loving this vibe. These are real simple. It's a water wave, nice length. If I wanted to wear her in the middle, this is what she would look like. I just felt like she looked a little bit like blah. So with the flip over, you know, it gives it a little extra pizzazz. Also too, guys, I'm not a big fan of combing out my curly hair units. I recently reviewed D, and what you saw with the curls, they kind of were like an after day wear with the curls. I didn't really mess around with those curls too much. These curls I did pull out on my own, and I feel like this curl pattern is gonna hold up a little bit longer than some other wigs, if you get what I'm saying. I'm really feeling the deep curl in this. I didn't want to take it out too much, but I feel like the more and more she gets bigger, the more and more she's gonna look real, okay, y'all? I like the texture of this wig. It's synthetic, absolutely, it's synthetic, but like I said, I just feel like these curls are gonna last you a little bit longer. As I'm moving the hair around and playing with it, it's not really doing too much. It's doing, but it's not, if that makes sense. Like some wigs, you mess up a curl and that's it, your whole life is over. This one, it works. It's kind of staying in place. The curls are just more defined, and I'm really feeling that vibe. Let me show you guys what she's looking like with the length. This is what she's looking like in the front and in the back. These curls kind of remind me of kind of the old school synthetic curls, where like it felt like they put something on it to hold it. I don't know how to, like, it just feel like these curls feel like the old school synthetic curls to me, but I like it because I feel like it's gonna stay like this. I don't know how to say what I'm trying to say, girl. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm probably not making any sense, but I really am feeling it. It's working. It's good. The baby hairs, the adult hairs, the whoever hairs in the house, they were a little bit long. I just kind of pushed them back into the unit, and I did, you know, swoop some just to kind of do something. I'm here for this style, y'all. I'm here for this. This is cute. This is cute. This is like, when I hear plop and go, I hear like plop and go, but you know, I'm just trying to run a Target and not look cute, but I'm trying to have something on my head. This is like plop and go, like, oh, we about to go get some drinks and I'm trying to look cute, but I don't have time to lay down my lace, but I want to look cute still. Bam, plop and go. Look good, plop and go, you know? Ooh, I like her. I like her a lot. I think I want to go back and get this in the red in that 99J. Ooh, girl, you can't tell me nothing. There's a lot of nice colors in this too. You got some 1B mixed with 30, your sombre RT colors down from burgundy to blonde to rose gold. So it's a lot of good options in here. I actually feel like if I was to take this unit on vacation, she would last the whole vacation. Not just a day or two. I feel like she would last. Definitely vacation vibes. Okay, I don't know why I'm talking like this. So I'm all for this style. I did get a little bit of hair coming out. It's not too much, but guys, it's synthetic, so keep in mind what you're paying for. The price is pretty affordable, but depending on your site, I think you could get it for about 35 bucks, and I feel like she's gonna hold up. I said it. I feel like she's gonna hold up. Some of them, they hold up for like a day or two. That's just how it is. They just not surviving this pandemic. But this one, this is a survivor. I feel like she gonna survive through this pandemic. All right, y'all. Let me know how you feeling about this wig. Would you buy her? How are you feeling? Oh, I didn't tell y'all about the layers. Oh, you see the layers? Look at the little bit of layers too. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Let me know how you feel. Until next time, beauties. I'll talk to you later. Bye.